Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Monica from Crafting with Spinning Lady and I hope you have an absolutely fabulous day. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make these 3 stunning poinsettia cards using elements from Box of Sunshine number 2. First I'm going to show you all the elements to fussy cut from the box, and as you can see these papers come in A5 size and I absolutely love those borders because you can use them in so many different ways. You can put a ribbon inside, or you can actually fussy cut the snowflakes and just have poinsettias, and that's exactly what I did for one of the cards in today's project. As you can see there are so many beautiful elements, and I think I'm going to use those snowflakes next week in my Sunday video because I absolutely love them, and this focus was on poinsettia this week, so yes, why not to try some snowflakes next week, especially if you look at the weather in the UK. It's very cold, so yes, that will be my inspiration for next week. Now you can have a look at all the elements I fussy cut, and there are loads, so you can use them for so many different projects. I absolutely love that all the labels and beautiful shapes, they're just perfect for very elegant and quick cards. And as I said before, today I'm going to focus on those absolutely stunning poinsettias. I really like them and I think they're just so beautiful, so I just couldn't resist and had to use them. So yes, as you can see, these snowflakes are pretty as well. Okay, so let's have a look at card number 1. I'm going to use this beautiful cutting die from Crafter's Companion, and I'm going to create a base first. So as you can see, I've got 300 GSM white card. I'm going to fold it in half, and using my scoring tool, I'm going to burnish the side, and I'm going to use my pencil to draw the outline. And if you've never ever have the card base cutting die, you can use that trick and it works magically. And if you have never seen my cards where I use this exact die, the link is in the top right corner, so please check it out because I'm showing you how to use them for so many different cards. Now as you can see, our base is ready, and I'm going to do exactly the same with another piece of white card. And this one will be our background panel. And this is very crucial because when you fold the card at the top, it has to be straight. But this way, when we create the background, you actually have the entire shape of a snow globe. And I really like this shape. I think it is my favorite this year actually. So now when this is ready, we have to get rid of all the pencil marks using an eraser. Super quick and easy. If you've never seen my unboxing video of Box of Sunshine number 2, it is in the top right corner, so you can check it out. To color in my background panel, I decided to use Illustrator marker, and I chose that beautiful green. And all the names of the products I used in today's video will be in the description down below, so you can check them out. Also in the description down below, I left a link to Marta's Drop of Sunshine YouTube channel, and also have Facebook group Drop of Inspiration, where you can actually share all your makes you can create with Marta's beautiful design papers. Now as you can see, I die cut that beautiful element using beautiful pearlescent card, and I'm going to decorate the white circle. And to make it even more elegant, I decided to use embossing folder, and this one actually came in a magazine a few years ago and I haven't used it, so I thought it would be perfect for today's project. I want to have you ever use Marta's design papers? If you have, what did you make? Please let me know in the comments down below. Also in the description I left links to her Buy Me a Coffee account where you can actually download some of her papers for free, and I have to tell you they're really beautiful, so if you haven't tried them, go and have a look at it. Now I'm using my one and only magic glue, liquid glue, because it is the best glue to adhere all the beautiful pieces together, and we are going to make sure that it will be stuck forever, and you still have time to maneuver all those elements. Super quick, easy, and it is actually magical. I really think it is. Now when this is ready, we have to decorate the center of our card. And as you can see, I fussy cut those 2 elements, and I thought this beautiful Merry and Bright would be perfect for this sentiment. However, to give it more dimension, I'm going to use double-sided foam adhesive. As usual, I put a little bit of liquid glue first, then double-sided foam adhesive, and using my pokey tool, I'm getting rid of the backing, and then use a little bit of liquid glue again. And this way, you will make sure that all the elements would be adhered forever. Super beautiful, and I'm not really sure if you can see it in the camera, but actually that gives so much dimension on your card and so much interest. If you've never used that trick, I really hope you will in your project. So when this is ready, then we have to use some of the poinsettias. And if you get that beautiful box of sunshine number 2, Marta actually created beautiful 3D poinsettias, and I thought, yes, they will be perfect for this card, and I just couldn't resist. I really like that gold element in the middle. It's just so beautiful. Love it. I actually checked, and this card fits in 5 by 7 inches envelope, even with those 3D poinsettias. So you don't have to make a very special envelope. And I use 3D gel glue for poinsettias and my magic liquid glue for all the leaves. Super quick and easy. And as you can see, this card didn't really take that much time. However, I'm going to decorate it with some beautiful green gems, because you know me and I love small gems. And now you can see the finished card. Super quick, easy, and it actually stands proud on a flat surface. If you like it, I really hope this one will inspire you to create something similar. Now let's have a look at project number 2. Here I've got 300 GSM white card, and I'm going to emboss that square panel. And this one is a little bit smaller than my background panel. So we actually have that beautiful red shiny frame. And as you can see, I fussy cut 2 of the borders. I got rid of the snowflakes because I thought my color scheme for this collection is just red and green. Yes, I decided to stay with those traditional colors for Christmas, and I really like all those elements here. And as you can see, I also have 2 green ribbons in 2 different colors, because I thought that will give my card even more interest. How much ribbon do you use in your card making? Do you use ribbons for Christmas cards or just birthday projects? Please let me know in the comments down below. If your small elements are a little bit bigger than your panel, you just stand it over and use your scissors, and all the elements are evenly cut. I absolutely love that technique. Now to actually adhere all the ribbons, I decided to use 3mm red liner tape, because first of all, it's invisible and it works perfectly with those 2 ribbons. I really like it. What is your favorite adhesive for ribbon? Please let me know. When this is ready, we have to decide about focal elements. And actually in Marta's small elements, she made that beautiful diamond shape. And I thought, wow, this is just so stunning, and I haven't ever seen that shape in any card making projects or designs. And I thought, yes, why not give it a go and use it for today's card. However, at the top you have a little bit of snowflake, and to cover it, I decided to use some poinsettias that you can see on the top of my desk. And I thought that actually works pretty well, because we don't have that blue, and everything matches beautifully, because we only have some greens and reds. And actually, what is your favorite color combo for Christmas makes? Please let me know. Do you like to use reds and greens and golds for very traditional cards? Or would you like more modern designs and more modern colors? Please let me know. I really want to know. And if you like any of my projects, I hope you'll click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And yes, hit that notification bell, because I'm planning to make more videos. Actually, tomorrow I'll have beautiful snowflake card for you using Greenia, beautiful foiled papers. And on a Thursday, as usual, I'm going to have another Christmas project. And probably I'm not sure exactly when, but I'm planning to do Black Friday haul, because I bought some beautiful die cuts and papers, and I want to share them with you. So now, as you can see, that beautiful diamond is just so gorgeous. So of course I had to use it on my card, and I decided to use that stamp from this set, and this one says Merry Christmas, and it actually fits perfectly fine. However, there were 2 sentiments together, so I had to use my scissors and cut it super quick and easy. And yes, you can do it to your stamps, you won't damage them. And to stamp it, I use my favorite waterproof black ink from Spectrum Noir. It is my favorite, I really have to admit. But maybe you've got a better ink to stamp any sentiments. Please let me know what it is. And now, to make it more interesting, I'm adding double-sided foam adhesive, and as you can see, it is a little bit too big, so I have to turn it over and get rid of it super quick and easy. So don't worry if your tape is a little bit bigger, you can easily get rid of it. Now, as usual, I'm putting my liquid glue and I'm attaching that beautiful diamond in the middle of my card. Have you ever used that shape in your card making? If you have, what did you create? Now I'm going to adhere those beautiful poinsettias, and I really have to admit they are just so beautiful, and Marta did an amazing job creating those beautiful flowers. Now I've got 6 by 6 inches cut base, I've got double-sided tape on the back of my panel, I'm peeling it off with my pokey tool and use my liquid glue just to make sure everything is adhered properly. Also, in the description down below, I left the link to Marta's eBay site, where you can actually buy this beautiful box of sunshine number 2. Now, it wouldn't be me if I didn't add any gold gems, so yes, here it is. What do you think about this finished card? Would you like to give it a go? Now let's have a look at card number 3. Again, I've got square card, and I'm going to emboss that panel. I really like this embossing folder because it is so simple, beautiful and very elegant, and I think it works with the all elements from Marta's box beautifully. Now, this time I decided to create poinsettia wreath, because why not? The poinsettia flowers are just so beautiful. And as you can see, I'm going to put the sentiment exactly in the middle, give it a little bit more dimension with double-sided tape, and to make it even more special, I'm going to use a little bit of ribbon. And actually, those 2 ribbons come from the box, because Marta included small bag in the box, and I had that gold ribbon inside. If you get that box, you might get something different, I don't really know. But this beautiful ribbon just works so beautifully with the gold gems I'm going to put on later. And again, I'm using that 3mm red liner tape, and I think it works perfectly fine. However, for the red ribbon, which is slightly narrower, I couldn't use that 3mm red liner tape. So instead, I actually used liquid glue, and yes, you can do it. You just have to make sure you spread it with your finger and there is no excess of liquid glue. Super simple and quick. So as you can see, I put some liquid glue on the side on my glass mat, and I'm just putting all the liquid glue with my finger. Super quick and easy. And if it's not enough, of course you can come back and add a little bit more glue. And when this is ready, I'm just going to press really hard with my fingers, and yes, it was adhered, because magic glue, it is magic glue. Now I'm going to make sure that the ribbon is properly adhered, so I'm going to use double-sided tape and cover it. I'm not going to peel that tape at the moment, because I want to make sure that those ribbons stay exactly where they are. And now I'm going to put more double-sided tape on the back, because that is the easiest way to actually mat and layer all your elements. To use that trick in your card making. Now I'm using my pokey tool to peel it off and adhere it on my background panel, which again is exactly the same red beautiful pearlescent card from crafter's companion. And as you can see, my challenge for this project today was to use one embossing folder, the same red card for all the cards, and poinsettias. And I created 3 different cards. Do you challenge yourself this way with your beautiful craft products? Please let me know. Now I'm going to add some gems because why not, right? And those beautiful gold gems just work beautifully on those poinsettias, and of course in the corners. Super beautiful. Now you can have a look at all those 3 cards and please let me know which one is your favorite, which one inspires you to create your own version. I'm really curious. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Have a fantastic day and happy crafting. See you in the next video. Bye for now.